Forgot, come along, it's time to play. Let's learn shapes in a colorful way. Circles, squares, and triangles too. So many shapes in red, green, and blue. Oh yeah, shapes and colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Let's explore and sing with glee. Learning is fun with you and me. Look, it's Puppy with a yellow ball. A perfect circle, he loves to roll its tall. Here's Kitty with a box so wide. A red square she likes to hide inside. Monkey swings with a triangle kite. It's blue and soaring to a happy height. Oh yeah, shapes and colors all around, in the sky and on the ground. Let's explore and sing with glee. Learning is fun with you and me.
What shape is round and rolls so fine?
It's a circle, yes, that's the sign.
Which shape has corners 1, 2, 3?
A triangle, you guessed it, we. And new, fun to learn with me and you. With Puppy, Kitty, and Monkey too, we'll find more shapes and colors to do. Metal shapes and colors, hip hooray. We learn so much as we laugh and play.